Alright guys, this is your friend MrEdward. In this video I'll show you how to survive while jumping from high. So first of all I'm gonna show you jumping without using that equipment, and yeah, I'm gonna show you first of all. So let's see. Right now I'm jumping. So as you can see, first of all I have to go up. So I'm gonna jump from here. So as you can see right now I'm jumping. Oh my god, I'm dead. So after using these slime blocks, so as you can see, you just have to use these all slime blocks, and you can find these all slime blocks in the cave, in the underground. And yeah, it's pretty easy to find these all slime blocks. And yeah, be careful while you're just collecting these all slime blocks, because slime may kill you. So that's why I think you just have to be careful while you are just collecting these all slime blocks. And yeah, this will help you to survive from hurting, and it won't decrease your heart the health. And yeah, this will definitely help you to survive while you are jumping from high. It doesn't matter how much high you are just jumping. So first of all I have to do these all the things. And yeah, so I'm gonna place these all slime blocks wherever I just want to jump. And yeah, as you can see, so right now, so I'm gonna jump from here, and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna test this, that does it work or not. So let's see. Oh, it's working. And yeah, so this is how you can also do this. And yes, don't forget to subscribe. So subscribe and watch this video.